Hello, it's Allison Merritt, and today on Thinking Outside the Box, I have a special unboxing. This is my new Atlas 180 custom painted pasta machine from Ed Street. I am so super excited to open this, and I wanted to open it with you. This is actually my birthday present to myself. My birthday is not until February, so I'm gonna give it to myself early. I don't even care. But here we go. I have not seen this yet. I have been waiting to do this unboxing video to open it, and it seems to be very, very well packed. I can't even get the tape undone here without, hopefully without cutting myself. Oh dear. Ed, you did a great job of packing this. And go ahead and get the other side. Ugh. I think I'm just so excited to open this that I'm having issues. Okay, here we go. Let me put that away before I cut myself with it. All right, inside the box, what do we have? We have excellent packing around the machine so it does not get damaged. So we'll go ahead and pull that out. Very cool. And let's see, this must be the handle. Also very well packed. Should probably find scissors to use instead of tape. Yes, it's the handle and the clamp. Awesome. So this is the clamp to put down on the table, and the handle to crank the pasta machine. Put that over there, get that out of the way. And here we have the absolute goodness that I cannot wait to unveil. Okay, first, we have a little bag that has my invoice in it. Then instructions on how to clean the blades. Not sure if I said her name correctly. Mona Kissel. I'm sorry if I slaughtered your name. Anyway, she has figured out a way to what we call Monified pasta machines, or the Atlas in particular, so that it is a whole lot easier to clean, and clay doesn't get stuck in it, because, you know, these were originally created to make pasta with, not really for polymer clay, but they're excellent for polymer clay, so that's why we use them. So there is directions there on how you go ahead and clean it. Then it's Mona's business card, which is awesome. Then, oh, okay. Ed's wife Tony's business card is in there also, and Ed's business card. And I will go ahead, you can get the information off of here to order from Ed, but I will also put it down in the description below this video. So that's that. All right, let's get this baby out of here. Boy, he sure does a good job of wrapping. Now, I don't know, most of you know my favorite color is purple, so naturally I have purple on here. But I also love teal, turquoise, just colors in that range, and I love those colors with purple. So for my machine, that is what I chose, a combination of the purple along with the teal, which looks absolutely amazing. Wow, look at this. And what I love about this is this atlas is on an acrylic block. That gives it a lot of stability for when you're cranking. Put your handle in over here. And when you're cranking, well, if it's not on a placemat, you have that extra stability where it's not going to move around. So that gives it some weight, which is awesome. But look at this. That is beautiful. My two favorite colors. I am so happy with this. And it does look very easy to clean by taking out those two screws and following your directions, these here, to take your blades out to clean them. Wow. Thank you so much, Ed. I am so excited about this. And I know that this machine is going to last me years. Atlas is one of the best pasta machines that you can get. So this is definitely going to last me, and I've got my beautiful colors, and I'm very excited, and happy birthday to me in the future, not yet. And I just wanted to share that with you. And I hope that you guys might want to hit Ed up and have him custom paint your very own atlas. He has the 150s, and like I said, this here is the 180, which gives you more width so that you can have wider clay pieces to run through it. All right, that's it for this unboxing, and I will see you later. Bye.